What's up guys, my name is David from Lightext and today I'll show you how to change the language on the Facebook app on Android and iPhone. Well, basically the steps are the same. On iPhone you will just have some extra steps. So here is the Facebook app. Let's just hit that and open it. And now on the bottom right corner on iPhone you will have the menu. On the Android is in the top right corner. I'll press on that and from here is the same on Android and iPhone. And now we have to scroll all the way down at the bottom. You should reach able language. I'll press on that button and now if you are an Android you'll just be asked to choose a language, but on iPhone you will have to press on preferred language. I'll press on that and as you see mine is set on English. I can choose whatever language I want. Let's press on Italiano and por favor, that's not Italiano. I mean, I have no idea if that's Italiano or not, but our Facebook app is on a different language, so let's change that again. I want to leave it on English, so I'll press on language and set English, and that's it. Now I can reach Facebook. If you are an Android, after you press settings, privacy, app language, you will be just asked at this moment to choose the language. Is not this extra step involved on an Android device. That's only on the iPhone. Guys, I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave a comment with your question and your thoughts. If you have any, I'll be more than happy to answer and help you.